This portable food purifier is a household appliance with exquisite design and convenient use. It can remove pesticide residues in food ingredients, degrade hormones, and effectively kill bacteria to ensure the cleanness and safety of food ingredients. The product has a wireless charging function, which is very convenient for charging. At the same time, it also has strong purification ability and is applicable to various food ingredients and tableware, including fruits and vegetables, meat, seafood, grains and maternal and child products. Moreover, through hydroxyl water ion purification technology, it provides users with a brand new way of food cleaning. The product's wireless charging function, 2-speed purification mode, IPX7 waterproof design and the certification of authoritative institutions all make it an ideal choice in multiple scenarios such as family kitchens, going out for travel and picnics. Product feature 1. Highly efficient cleaning. Use special water molecules to wash away dirt on food, including pesticides and bacteria. 2. Widely applicable. It can wash various foods and tableware, including baby products. 3. Wireless charging. Just put it on and it can be charged without plugging in the wire. 4. 2 modes, quick wash and deep wash, suitable for different needs. 5. IPX7 waterproof, fully waterproof, and can be used with wet hands. 6. Safe voltage, low voltage, safe to use. 7. Certification guarantee, past safety inspection and official certification. 8. Purification upgrade, new technology, more efficient cleaning. 9. Considered design, easy to disassemble and wash, with light indication, anti-slip base, and convenient to use.